Today, I'm going to take you on a tour of these beautiful model homes that you see right behind me. These are the two-story modern elevation contemporary townhomes by Freure Homes. They're building in the master plan community of Westwood Village on the southern end of Cambridge, Ontario. What we will do is first I'll give you a tour of this beautiful home that you will enjoy, and then I'll share all the details you need to know about this particular project by Freure Homes. And if you do stick until the end of this video, I will also share with you a great incentive that you can avail by working with me if you choose to buy one of these units through me, and that will mean thousands of dollars cash back into your pocket at the time of closing. So you definitely don't want to miss out. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. So this is the modern elevation you will be looking at in all of these townhomes, and as you can see, these are the two-story layouts, all of them, and floor plans do come with the options from 1,500 square feet all the way to 2,000 square feet. This particular one is the wood view floor plan you're looking at, and 1,674 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 washroom. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the tour of this beautiful home. I hope you did enjoy the tour of this beautiful model home just as much as I personally enjoyed recording this one. Now, to tell you a little bit about this particular project, this is the Westwood Village master plan community, and the builder you're looking at is Freure Homes. They're building two-story modern contemporary townhomes with the layouts ranging from 1,500 square feet all the way to 2,000 square feet. Price range, you're looking at 800,000 as a starting range, all the way to 935 for some of the bigger units. Now, in terms of closing, you're looking at spring to fall of 2025. Builder will work with you at 10% deposit, and the development charges for this one is capped at 5,000. And yes, the assignment can be availed at the cost of $5,000 plus HST. And at the same time, just keep in mind there is a maintenance fee of $120 per month. That does include private garbage collection. Winter months, you will get snow removal of common areas, and of course, the landscaping of those common areas during those hot summer months. Now, at the same time, the builder is currently offering a couple of great incentives, which you can also avail. That includes $5,000 in decor dollars to spend at your design appointment, shall you choose to go with some upgrades. And at the same time, select units will also get a free air conditioning unit included in the price. If you want to get more details, you can always reach out to me. But I saved the best for the last, as I promised at the beginning of this video. The great incentive that you can avail by working with me as a real estate agent and represent you towards the purchase of one of these units by Freure Homes will include 10% cash back to your pocket at the time of closing out of the gross commission paid to me by the builder. So that will mean thousands of dollars back in your pocket at the time of closing to help you with whatever that moving cost or closing cost might be. So that's the great incentive that you can avail shall you choose to work with me. But I hope you did enjoy this tour and nonetheless got some value out of this video. I'm going to do more of this, so if you want to stay tuned, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap on the bell for notifications so you are the first to learn about the current market in and around Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge. Once again, whether you think you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, be sure to reach out. All the info you will find right below in the description. I'll be more than happy to help you and your family make a smooth move in and around Kitchener-Waterloo, Cambridge. Until next time, well, I do hope to see you around town.